Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the exhilarating world of DIY electronics? Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own data acquisition system using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Yes, you heard that right. First off, what exactly is a data acquisition system? Simply put, it's a setup that converts physical quantities, like pressure or temperature, into digital data that your computer can process. And guess what? Arduino and Raspberry Pi are perfect for this. They're affordable, flexible, and ideal for both simple home projects and advanced engineering experiments. Let's get started with the basics. At the heart of many measurement systems is the Wheatstone bridge circuit. This is crucial for reading outputs from devices like strain gauges. Precision is key here, so make sure to use high-quality foil resistors and a stable amplifier to get accurate data conversion. Now, for the components, you'll need a Wheatstone bridge for thermal stability, a stable amplifier to boost the signal, and of course, either an Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Your choice depends on your project's needs and your familiarity with each platform. Once your components are set and assembled, it's time for calibration. This step is vital to ensure your setup measures accurately. You might need calibration weights or reference measures to verify the output. After calibration, your device will start converting physical data into digital signals. This involves changing the analog signals from your sensors into digital code that your microcontroller can interpret and record. Why go DIY, you ask? Building your own system is incredibly rewarding, it allows for customization and can save you money. But remember, precision is crucial, especially with sensitive measurements. However, if you need high sensitivity and accuracy for professional use, investing in commercial instruments might be more cost-effective in the long run. In conclusion, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, Arduino and Raspberry Pi are fantastic platforms for developing robust data acquisition systems. Your success largely depends on the precision of your setup and your ability to integrate and calibrate the components effectively. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions or share your project experiences in the comments below. Let's keep the innovation going. Ready to start your DIY project? Check out the links in the description for detailed schematics and parts suppliers. Thanks for watching, and happy building!